Hello, sisters and brothers, Mindy here, and I really have just been having a lot of energy coming up around meditation for me lately, and I really want to share this with you because it's very valid and it's important. The last year for me has been quite tumultuous, and there's been lots of highs and lots of lows, and even just the last couple of weeks have been even bigger highs and lows, and I have been able to maintain my steadiness throughout all this stress and all of this change because of my meditation practice. It has saved me 100 times over, and I want that for you. I want you to have a strong, solid, steady meditation practice because I think we're being called to up-level our game, to be consciousness leaders, to have full awareness of who we are, and love of ourselves leads to love of others. So our meditation practice is the key to getting there. And I want this for you so that you can weather all the storms that are coming in this new decade and ride the waves of joy and pleasure and love, because there is bound to be so much goodness coming through the 20s. I can't even imagine where we're going to be in 10 years. But for right now, I want to give you the opportunity to work directly with me through my 20 years of meditation experience and teaching, so that you can develop your own specific meditation practice that's specific for you and your needs. And if you want, you can even include a couple of your favorite people in this so that we can have a small group of meditators all aligned to uplift ourselves. And when we tap into that love of ourselves, then we can tap into love of others, and we become the change that we seek in the world. So if you are interested in up-leveling your game and finding the keys to meditation practice for you and your loved ones potentially, please click the link below and we will get going as soon as possible. I'm so excited about offering this meditation practice and this personalized work with you. And we do it from the comfort of our own homes. It's just going to be amazing, and I'm so blessed to be able to offer this. I can't wait to listen to what your needs are and develop something that is just right for you. So many blessings. I can't wait to talk. Much love.